So this is my video for the Legal Cases Law Choose Your Own Adventure number 2. And in it, uh, I found two cases, both from the Halton District School Board, one in 2011, one in 2010, that had similarities, and they tied into special education. So the first one, titled CR and BR versus Halton District School Board, we have a 16-year-old student, and the parent disagreed with the school's choice for the student's identification and placement in school. So in elementary, the student was identified, and then the label was dropped and simply kept on an IEP. And the parents wanted the student placed in a regular classroom, and the school wanted him placed in a program, a special education program, despite not being identified anymore. And then the final decision was to keep the student's exceptional student status and dismiss the issue of being placed in a special education program. And then the other case was CS versus Halton District School Board again. And here we have a 15-year-old grade 10 student. And the parents alleged that the Halton District School Board incorrectly assessed the student in their IEP assessment and was therefore not placed in the correct program for the student's exceptionality. And the way it shook down was that the order from the judge placed the student in regular class with withdrawal assistance and to update the IEP for the upcoming year. So why did I choose these two cases? They taught the special education aspect tied into what we've learned in our Teaching for Inclusion class that we took this semester as well, because we had to make an IEP as one of our assignments for that, and they were difficult to write at times. So it was just kind of making that connection between here's what we had to do, and then these are the legal ramifications if it's done incorrectly. And this relates back to the course. Because again, those legal implications of making sure the IEPs are correct, because those really play a huge role in determining the path a student will go through in their academic career, in terms of their support, like how people will teach them based on different identifications, and just what if they're going to be in a regular classroom or not. And then the trickle down effect of like how it might affect their self-esteem or what have you. So it's really essential to make sure that schools are following correct procedures on doing the IEPs and making sure that they're updated. So that was kind of, and I guess the legal implication of that, of making sure that or if they aren't updated, then that falls back on the school board, as you can see in the two cases.